Hello, my name is Jim Uphoff. I'm the Fixture Product Manager for Marketing at ETC, and today we're going to look at a couple new fixtures that we're showing at USITT 2015. Last year we released the Series 2 Luster. This is the second generation of color mixing fixtures for the Source 4 LED line. So we're comparing it this year as we did last year against a Series 1 fixture just to show some of the differences. Really some of the big innovations in this fixture have to do with color mixing and also output with color. And the big innovation there was the use of a lime emitter instead of white like we did in the Series 1. Series 2 uses a lime green emitter which sits at a part of the photopic curve that's really good for the human eye. It sees that green color better than anything else, so we get a lot of lumen output from that color. And along with that, we also get to use that color even when we're trying to mix saturated colors, because unlike white, which desaturates a color naturally, that lime emitter can be used for warm color regions, even at full saturation. So we get some really bright, punchy colors, especially in the ranges like that I was talking about, like the yellows, ambers, light greens, oranges. So where the fixture's normally about twice as bright as the first generation, in some of this range where we're talking about these yellows, light greens, ambers, it can be up to 4 or 5 times as bright as the Series 1. So with that innovation of the lime and with our discovery of the powers of that color of emitter that we've been waiting a long time to get our hands on, we brought that into our new Colorsource PAR. So the Colorsource PAR is a brand new fixture line. It's our first low-cost LED fixture offered by ETC. It is a wash light. It has, as you can see, 8 homogenized optics, and it's a 4-color system instead of the standard 7-color system that we use in our color mixing fixture. But what's unique about it is it's red, green, blue, and lime. The 4th color there is that lime emitter. It's the same lime that we used in the Series 2 Luster, and we used it for the same reasons. A lot of output, great color mixing, great saturated colors, and a lot of range in that color mixing. So the big innovation of this is that this is completely designed by ETC, made, supported, and built in Middleton, Wisconsin. We've been able to keep the process all in-house and kept the price extremely low. This fixture lists for $750, and it has a lot of great features that you'd only see in higher-end fixtures, such as droop compensation so color doesn't shift as the fixture warms up. It is fully color calibrated. It has RDM, really simple user interface. We kept things as pared down and simple as we could, but it's a lot of features and a lot of quality out of a very low-cost fixture. We have a couple new fixtures over here, so if we transition over to this stand. So in January we released these 2 fixtures. These are our Series 2 white light fixtures. In our first generation of white light fixtures, we had 2 static white fixtures, a tungsten studio and a daylight studio, and then a studio HD, which was a variable color temperature. So what we've done in the second generation is take those 3 fixtures and sort of mash them into 2. So now we have a tungsten HD and a daylight HD. Both fixtures are variable color temperature, give you the ability to adjust tint as well as color temperature from the fixture or from DMX. But they're designed really to do their ends of the spectrum. So while they'll both do the full range of 2700 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin, the tungsten is designed to really have its best CRI and output performance from 2700 to about 4500, and then again on the daylight it picks up about 4000. It starts to get brighter and get higher CRI and takes that all the way to 6500 Kelvin. Both of these fixtures are over 12,000 lumens full on. The tungsten's just over 10,000, sorry, and the daylight's just over 12,000 lumens full on. So 2 really nice, great looking beams, very bright fixtures. And now we're pairing that with yet another adapter for the Source 4 LED engine. This is our new Fresnel adapter. This will be shipping in the next month. So by taking off the barrel and the lens tube off of any Source 4 LED light engine, we're able to get a nice Fresnel optic. And it's barn doorable, has a zoom range of 15 to 50 degrees beam angle, and gives a really nice soft beam that can be overlapped with a field that has a really great fall off around the edges, so you can combine multiple fixtures to get a really nice smooth transition from beam to beam. So now pairing this with our cyc adapter that we already have for this system, and with all the lens tubes, zoom lens tubes and fixed lens tubes that you have, you now have an engine that can work anywhere in the theater. Has multi-purpose, adds more value to the investment, which is the light engine itself, and makes it a really powerful tool for any studio, any theater, any lighting situation. So there's more information about all this stuff on our website. Feel free to check it out. It's etcconnect.com, and thanks for spending some time.